If you ever forget a password and need to check one you already saved in Chrome, this tutorial will show you exactly how to view saved passwords on Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is super useful when you need to log in on a new device, recover an old account, or double check a password you saved a while ago. Just make sure you only do this on your own trusted computer because saved passwords are private and should always be handled securely. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You want to make sure you are signed into the browser if your passwords are synced, because that's what allows Chrome to show the saved logins connected to your account. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. Click on that menu to open Chrome's main settings options. From the drop-down list, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings page where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy, autofill, and passwords. Now look at the left-hand menu, find autofill and passwords and click it. This section is designed to store and manage information that Chrome can help fill in for you, like payment details, addresses, and login information. After that, click Google Password Manager. This is the secure area where Chrome keeps your saved website passwords and usernames. Once you open it, you'll see a list of websites with saved logins. These could include accounts like Gmail, Facebook, Amazon, or any other site where you chose to save your password in Chrome. To view a password, click on the website entry you want to check. Chrome will then ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. Depending on your device, this might mean entering your computer password, using your fingerprint, or confirming with another system prompt. This is normal and helps protect your saved passwords from anyone else using your device. Once verified, you'll see the saved username and password details for that site. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to the password field. When you do that, Chrome will show the hidden password in plain text so you can read it, copy it, or paste it somewhere else if needed. If you're looking for a specific account, you can also use the search bar inside Password Manager to quickly find the website instead of scrolling through the full list. That can save time if you have a lot of saved logins. And if you ever want to keep your passwords more secure, this is also a good time to review the accounts you no longer need saved and remove anything unnecessary. Just remember, only view saved passwords on a device you trust and avoid showing them on shared or public computers. That's it. You now know how to view saved passwords on Chrome quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll see you in the next video.